Hello guys and welcome to the second lesson of Learn Italian with Miko. So today we're going to learn some pronunciation rules. I know that I said that Italian is a phonetic language. You're right. If I speak you should be able to write it down. But unfortunately we have some rules. They're not a lot. I mean we have quite a few. Have you ever learned French? Then you can tell me. So let's start with our lesson for today. Do you remember these sounds, please? I cannot hear you. I think it's correct. H. So the sound H, basically, when you say the alphabet, you pronounce H. But if you see this letter in the words, we don't pronounce it. And this is an example. In English, you would say hotel. In Italian, you say hotel, without any expiration. This is the reason why, for example, when you learn English, for example, home, house, we pronounce it home, house, like this. This is one of the reasons, because we don't pronounce it, we don't aspirate the sounds. We use this letter to make stronger sound, for example, with G and with G. What do I mean? So, if you can see here, we have our vowel and the letter C. Letter C in English, but C in Italian. So, if C is followed by E-E as a soft sound, ci, ce. Example, circo, celeste. But then, if I need to make a stronger sound, I need the help of H. And here you can see the spelling is C-H-I, is a stronger sound. It's like ki, ke. In English, you would put like K-I, K-E. So it's a stronger sound, ki, ke. But if I don't have the letter H, we would be back here and it would be chi, che. The same rule applies for G. So if G is followed by E or E, as a soft sound. So giro, gelato. But if I need to make a stronger sound, sorry for the curtains, I need the letter H. And I put G-H-I, G-H-E, and it would be gi, ge, g, ge. Okay, so H is not useless. We use it in words, in Italian language, but mainly you can see the H, for example, from loan words, like hotel, names like Hillary, or we use also now like home, for example, if we want to be posh, like in advertisement or commercial. If then Chi is followed by A-O, has already a strong sound, so it would be casa, ka. If it's O, it would be coso. The same apply with G. So if G is followed by A or O, it would be ga, go. Example, gatto, gola, gola, gatto, cat. Okay, and you maybe have a question, can I make this sound softer? You can. And to make it softer, you use this letter H. The only thing is that, for example, if I want to say, sorry, I need my pencil. If I want to make it softer, I can do like this. The pronunciation would be cha, cho. But these words, for example, you can hear, for example, in small town, or in dialect, or in slang, cha. Okay, it's like cha, cha, like come on. Okay, it's not really Italian, it's like slang. This, if I want to make softener this sound, if I put H, it doesn't work. So to make it softener, I need E. So già, jaw. Because if I would put that sound, I would pronounce it ga. But we don't need it because G plus A, it's already that sound. So this one, maybe for example, Gaddafi, I think it's spelled like this, I'm not sure, so I don't want to say bullshit, but if it's spelled like this, if we spell it like this, we would pronounce it Ga, Gaddafi. Okay? So these are the main difficult, tricky, hardest part of the Italian language. But here you need only practice. You can get confused because maybe you see A or you see E, or okay, it's a stronger, softer practice. Okay? And it's really mechanical. I mean, this is the rule. There is no exception. I mean, these are the exception. That's it. So it doesn't change. And the last thing that I want to teach, not to teach you, to explain about the pronunciation is the double sound. This is really, really, really important if you speak Italian. You must, not you have, you must pronounce the double. Because we read what we see. So this word, it's not bella, it's bella. This is not mama, it's mamma. And this is not pizza, it's pizza. This is really, really important, and this is only practice. If it helps, if it helps you, for example, you can, when you come across this kind of word, you can like stop a little bit, like, okay, so it's bella. Make it. And then when you're more confident, you can speak faster and say bella. Okay, because it's true, if I speak fast, maybe you think, yeah, but you haven't pronounced the sounds. Why you say to pronounce double? But because I'm native speaker, so I speak fast, and there is like, I pronounce it, because if I speak fast, I would say bella, bella, really, really, really fast. So maybe you can notice the sound, but we make this double. It's not like if I would say now bella. I wouldn't speak like this, but it would be really, really, really fast. Bella. Okay? So these are the rules. Try to review this lesson. And in the next lesson, we are going to do some exercise of pronunciation. I will write down some words and we are going to test you. If you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up, 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 because I really need. So, thank you for watching. See you next lesson.